Hi, this is Handy TF. In this video, we are going to check to see if it actually works when you fill the Pneumatics tire with foam. The tire on this wheelbarrow has many nail holes, and this stem is also broken. Instead of getting a new tire, I thought I could save some money by filling it with foam. It actually works well for a while. But after few weeks, I loaded several concrete blocks. I would say they only weighed about 100 pounds in total. As you can see, the tire is flat again. Hi, please hit the like and the subscribe buttons below. This will encourage me to make more free videos to help more people. So I take the wheel off, and I am going to cut open the tire to see what happens. The foam did fill the whole tire very well, as you can see, but the foam breaks down and becomes loose and crumbly after some uses. In conclusion, don't waste your time to fill the Pneumatics tire with foam. If it works for you, please leave a comment and let everyone know which kind of foam you use. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for your time, Handy TF.